For the past 7 days, I've been taking about 10 minutes out of each and every day to try this brand new side hustle that I've recently discovered, where I've earned just over $900 in my first week. I'm creating today's video because I want to show you all my secrets, tips, and tricks that I use to do the side hustle to make about $900 in a week, so that hopefully you can replicate this and see similar results. We're also going to be looking into the top people doing this on how they're making 5 to 6 figures every single year doing the exact same thing, which shows you the real potential behind the strategy, which is really why I wanted to talk about this on my channel today, because it really isn't that difficult to do. It really doesn't take much time at all. A lot of the effort is pretty much done for you because I'm going to show you how to literally only take 10 minutes out of each and every day. You don't need to spend hours in front of the computer. You can do this off your phone, and all you need is a simple internet connection and 2 of the following websites that I'm going to mention later in this video. We're going to be getting all of the traffic on complete autopilot completely for free as well, and anybody can do this anywhere in the world, as like I said, you just need an internet connection and a browser and you're good to go, and will be able to access any of these platforms no matter where you are. So if you want to see exactly how to set this up anywhere in the world and start making money online from the side hustle, I really recommend that you watch this video until the end and listen to each and every step that I'm going to explain in this video, because I don't want you to miss anything, because ultimately I want you to succeed at this. So without further ado, let's not waste any time and dive straight into this. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur, content creator and trader, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, we're going to be focusing more on a side hustle. This isn't something that's going to be paying massively in the beginning, but it is very possible to scale to 5 and 6 figures beyond in the next couple of years or so. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can scale and also how to start off in the beginning and start earning in your first week. If you want to get a personal message and reminder from me every time I upload a way that I use to make money online, make sure to go down below and subscribe to this Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel so that I can do so and that you'll be updated as soon as I release a new video. The first platform we're going to be talking about in today's video is called SEOclarks.com. So for those of you that have been following my YouTube channel for quite some time, you would have known that I speak about this quite a couple of times. Now, this is quite an old website, but it is a gem waiting for money to be made online. Now, specifically, I want to show you all of these people over here doing something very similar. Now, all of these people are offering very simple services such as $10, $20, $5, $10, $5, and are making hundreds to thousands of dollars doing this. Now, this is not going to be a strategy where we just go and post our service and hope people click on our service from this website and buy our service. It actually has nothing to do with that. We're going to be using 1 or 2 external platforms to plug into with SEOclarks.com to really boost our sales and get a ton of more revenue from this strategy. This website and you guys are going to be seeing a strategy today that has never been seen before and done on this website yet. And I really do feel this website and the strategy has a lot of potential for you guys, but I quickly want you to take a look over here. If I hover over to the category section on the right, if I click on marketplace, you'll see over here art and design, business card design, graphic and logos, voiceovers, banner ads, blogs, content writing, article translation, case studies, legal, email and newsletters, presentations, speech writing, product and book reviews, proofreading, resumes, social media posts and management, transcription, link building such as comments, directory, link development, link pyramids, forum posts, signature links, gaming, coding in different languages, question and answers, servers such as crowdfunding, YouTube, social bookmarks, all of these services over here, including software, trades, and jobs as well. If you have any idea on how to do any one of these, you can literally build a business for yourself. And even if you don't, I'm still going to show you how you can build a business for yourself out of this and make an excellent side hustle. For example, this person over here writes up done for you email and affiliate marketing templates for your email campaigns. They are charging $7 for their service and have already had 613 reviews on their particular service. That means they've had a minimum of 613 sales multiplied by 7, which is a total of $4,200 earned from their specific service so far, which is really easy money for what they're doing. And I'm going to show you a tool that will do all of this for you, and then how to autopilot all of the traffic to your specific offer on SEOclarks. This person is another good example who has experience in ranking websites on the top pages of search browsers such as Google. They are simply charging $16 for their service. They currently have had over 12,540 reviews, which means they've had a minimum of 12,540 sales, because in order to leave a review, you need to have purchased their service. So if I again come over to the calculator, this person has made 16 multiplied by 12,540, which is over $200,000, 6 figures, ranking websites on the top pages of Google. And I can promise you they are not spending a lot of time doing this at all. All they use is one or two ranking tools that maybe take 5 to 20 minutes out of their own time in the day to go and rank that website on the top page of Google for a specific keyword, and they go and get paid $16 for their service. Now, $16 may not seem like a lot, but when you have 12,000 people ordering from you, that volume adds up, which is exactly how they've reached over $200,000 from this. Multiple 6 figures from the side hustle. Here's another person writing simple $1,000 articles for people charging $5 for their service, and they've had over 1,286 sales minimum, which means they've made well over $6,000 using the same strategy. And I can promise you they're also using some kind of article generation tool or AI software to go and do all of the hard work for them. And they're also really using minimal time in the day, I'm assuming anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes a day, to go and write these articles for their clients. And they too have built a 5-figure business for themselves, which is exactly what I'm going to dive into, how I made my first $900 in a week. And I'm going to show you the exact service that I've been doing and exactly how you can do so as well. And the reason why I'm showing you what these top people are making is not to show you that you're going to be making 6-7 figures in your first week and first month, but to rather show you how far you can possibly scale a business to with the strategy. You'll see if you scroll down, there's lots of other people that aren't making as much as the top people because everybody has to start somewhere. But this is where I come in, and I'm going to help you plug in automation traffic into this as well to really boost your sales and rankings on this particular website, SEOclarks.com, so that you can shortcut a lot of the hard work. Step number 1 is to go and sign up a free account on SEOclarks.com. Go and click on join on the top right, and it's going to prompt up a form that says username, email, password, and confirm password. Enter this information and you can complete your account completely for free. If you already have an existing account, you can sign in with your existing account. So I'm going to do so and just show you a little bit about the dashboard so that we can actually go and get started with making money with this strategy. Once you've created your brand new account, your dashboard will go and look like this. So I've created a brand new account with a random username just to go and show you what this looks like. And over here, you can see quite a nice achievements tab. Get 10 sales, 100 sales, 1,000 sales, and then 10,000 sales, which is quite a nice goal list that you can go and do. And from here, you'll be able to go and post your own services, create your own offers, and offer your services to the people on this website. And once your profile is complete, you're ready to go and post on this website. From there, that's going to lead us to part 2 of this video, is come over to this website called Writesonic.com, which is a website that I've been using a lot lately to help me make money online. This is an all-in-one artificial intelligence assistant for any type of copywriting, which you can also use completely for free. And they are able to write done-for-you articles in just 15 seconds. Whereas if a human had to do that, it would take a couple of hours to come up with the idea, the titles, the descriptions, the intros, the outros. It takes hours for human intelligence to do so. But an AI can do the exact same thing in 15 minutes, eliminating all of that hard work. So if I go and sign in with this tool over here, I want to show you what else they offer, because they offer hundreds of different tools that you can use with this AI. So I'm going to sign in with my existing account and I'll meet you on my dashboard. They offer artificial intelligence article writers, done for you Facebook ads, also created by this AI. This AI creates entire done for you YouTube descriptions, intros, YouTube hook ideas, article outlines, Instagram captions, Quora answers for questions on Quora. It will generate your own tweets. It will shorten and re-paraphrase text, create your own landing pages. You can even create your own song lyrics at the click of a button. Google Ads also done for you, passive to active voices, create your own stories for book writing. It can give you answers to the questions that you might have, pros and cons, apps and SMS notifications, TikTok video hook ideas. It really has everything that any company or business or individual needs to start an online business in terms of marketing and content creation. All of these services can be offered on a platform like SEOclarks.com or Fiverr.com, which you can charge anywhere between $10 and $50 for. You can create multiple gigs at the same time so that you earn from multiple of them at the same time, which also opens up multiple streams of income, offering all the different services that this tool offers, which you just go and execute by, for example, going to go and click on Instagram captions, type in a little description or a keyword, and it will automatically generate the caption for you, which you can then send to your clients on SEOclarks.com. Let's use the example of article writing. You would go and click on AI Article Writer 3.0. You can go and type any topic. Let's say your client wants a topic about electric cars. So we can go and type here, electric cars, go and click on generate ideas, choose from one of 3 titles. I like the first one, 5 reasons electric cars will be the norm in the future. Click on this, go and click on generate intros. It will firstly generate the introduction of your entire article. It will then create the outro and then the body from there in just a couple of seconds. So you can go and choose any one of these. For example, let's choose this one over here. You can then go and click on generate outlines and take a look at how quickly it's busy building this article for you. I mean, I've clicked on this button twice and I already have half an article, which would have taken hours if I had to go and think of all these words and write them myself. We can then go and choose this first one over here, for example, section 1 to 6, and finally go and click on write an article. Give it a couple of seconds and your entire article will be done for you. And there we go. In just 20 seconds, this entire article with even images, a conclusion, each and every description of each and every subheading has been created for you in just 5 minutes. And simply, you can go and send this article back to your client on SEOclarks.com who has paid you your asking price to write an article for them. Whatever topic, title, or idea they give you for your article, you just go and paste into writesonic.com and it will generate this article for you. And for the most important part, actually getting sales on SEOclarks.com is not going to be just posting on SEO Clarks and hoping people click on our service. We're going to be using the power of TikTok and one other platform with this. If you come over to TikTok.com and you go and search up article writing, you will find tons, even thousands of videos already created and proven to go viral, giving you tips on how to write articles. So for example, this video over here got over 7 million views. If you go and click on this, it basically shows you a website called writely.ai.com to go and write your own articles. Go and copy the link of this TikTok, come over to Google and go and search TikTok download without watermark. If you click on the first link over here, go and paste the link of this TikTok, click on download server 01, and this will then download to your PC. Now, it's very important that you go and download this without the TikTok watermark because you're going to be coming over to facebook.com and we're going to be using the virality and power of Facebook Reels, which is something that is really going viral at the moment because it was only launched this year and Facebook is trying to compete with TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. And in Facebook trying to do that, it's really pushing out Facebook Reels and blowing up a lot of content creators, which we can actually go and use this platform to filter and funnel a lot of traffic to our service on SEOclarks.com. And when SEOclarks.com sees that you're getting a lot of external traffic to your service, it will bump your gig up to the top pages because SEOclarks.com is a business. If you can bring traffic to their website, they will reward you by ranking you on the top pages. So all you need to do is come over to Facebook Reels on your mobile device on the upload section over here. Go and click on photo or video or Reels on your mobile phone and go and upload that same video that we just downloaded from TikTok. Under the comment section of each and every one of your videos, go and type a simple comment. Click here to get your done for your article made in just 10 minutes. And then you leave a link to your service on SEOclarks.com. And when your videos start to take off on Facebook Reels, a lot of people will start clicking on your link in your comment, getting you a lot of traffic to SEOclarks.com. And then most importantly and finally, it's important to be posting consistently on Facebook Reels. So what I recommend is go and download a whole bunch of batch content on TikTok over here. You just go and search up article writing. Go and download, I would say, 7 videos for the week and post 1 video every single day on Facebook Reels and keep that consistency up. As your page starts to grow, you can look at posting once every 2 days or once every 3 days. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with this specific strategy, making money and monetizing Facebook Reels, TikTok Reels with strategies like this on Fiverr, SEOclarks.com. I'm going to give you an entire course that I've created on YouTube completely for free. I could have put all of these videos into a private membership area and charged hundreds of dollars for it, but I decided to put all of it on my YouTube channel completely for free. So if you want to go and get access all of that, I would really appreciate it if you can go down below, leave a like on this video, comment down below your most motivational or inspirational quote, and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on. And in return, I'll put the whole playlist up over here on the screen. So over here, you'll see the playlist on the screen. What I recommend is you go and click on this playlist over here. It's called Make Money on TikTok and Short Video Platforms in 2022. And I'll see you over there.